Hi, hello buddies. I'm Yajudita grade 9 from Brahmbats Garden School. This message from Savitri by Arvindo. To these who peak domains sealed by to our search, too far from surface nature's postal routes, to low-fee from our mortal lives, to breathe deep in us a forgotten kinship points and a faith voice of intimacy and prayer. Calls to the those who listened, lost immense size. Thank you. Bye.
Hello buddies, நான் உங்க ஆர்ஜே மதுஸ்ரீ கிரேட் 5A from Brahmats Garden. Today's Karmayogi Appa message, the psychic recognizing the divine in action and feeling the touch pleasantly is gratitude. Thank you. Bye.
Hello everyone, I am your RJ Rohita grade 7 from Primbats Current School. In this show, we are going to see some logical question and answer. What is the longest word in the dictionary? Answer, smiles, because there is a mile between each ears. And next, வாங்க கடி ஜோக் பார்க்கலாம். வெயிட் இல்லாத ஹவுஸ் எது? யோசிங்க பார்க்கலாம். பதில் லைட் ஹவுஸ். தேங்க்யூ, பாய்.